Hi guys, Take James here. In this video we will be taking a look at the Brook GameCube controller to Switch controller adapter. So basically what this does is it connects to your Nintendo Switch and then it allows you to plug in any kind of GameCube controller. This works with the official GameCube controller and a third-party one. So this actually works on Nintendo Switch and PC. So if you guys are interested in the Dolphin emulator, this is also something very cool that you could buy. That would mean that you would be able to use a GameCube controller on your Dolphin emulator games. So anyway, let's just take a quick look at the box. Fairly basic box. Has a diagram on the back that explains how it works. So it does have two USB ports and you can only connect this to the Nintendo Switch when it's in the dock mode, so basically when you've got it connected to your TV. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. It also allows full controller support, which is really cool, so when Smash Bros comes out and all you guys that love the GameCube controller, this is perfect for you. So let's just unbox this right now. So here it is in the box, very basic, there isn't really much in here, literally just the adapter and some instructions. We won't be using the instructions for this video because they look like they're in Japanese and I will show you guys how to do this anyway. So here is the adapter itself. As you can see, it looks just like the Nintendo GameCube, which is really cool. It has a sticker on the top right here. You can just peel that off if you want to. It also has a turbo button right here. I will be testing that out. Apparently it's for use of rapid fire on certain types of games, so I'll be seeing if I can use that or not. So yeah, very much like the GameCube, very nice design, I really like it. Here are the two USB ports on the back. So here's the adapter compared to the original GameCube. As you can see, very similar design, a really nice looking adapter, probably one of the best looking out there. So here's my Nintendo Switch in dock mode. If you're wondering what the cover is here, I just like to put that on just in case the screen gets scratched. I'm kind of nervous of that. But anyway guys, on the side of your dock you will see these two USB ports and all you do is just plug these into them. Now you can plug in your controller, so I'm going to be using the Mad Catz third-party controller for this video. This works with every single GameCube controller, original or third-party. I actually really like the design of this one, so all you do is just plug it into the front like that. Now you can go on and turn your Nintendo Switch on. And as you can see, you will get a red LED right here, letting you know that it's working. Even if I plug it into Player 2, that will come on as well, so you know that the controller is working properly. So here we are on a Nintendo Switch, and because it's a GameCube controller, all of the controls are sort of mapped, so you can just press A to continue. You might have to press it on the joy, oh no, it works straight away. So as you can see, working perfectly. I can navigate around using the C stick or the normal joystick or even the analog pads right here. So pretty much you can go into anything. You can go into controllers and it should display, there you go, USB controller is showing right there. So now I can just close out of this. Now you can start a game, so I was actually playing this earlier, so let me just close this software. It's Pokemon Quest, it's actually a pretty good game if you guys haven't played it, but let's just start it. So it might come up with this option when you first start playing. All you do is press left and right at the back, you then press A, and then it will just start like that. And now the game is just completely playable, which is really nice. Let me just go into some quick gameplay. The sound is muted because all of the audio on this is copyrighted by Nintendo, which means I can't actually play it. Here you go, game loading, and as you can see, all the controls work and stuff like that, which is super awesome. I'm actually really enjoying using the GameCube controller, and when Smash Bros comes out, this is just going to be 100 times better. So that is pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button. If you guys would like to get one of these, make sure you check out a link in the description from shophappily.com. I will probably make another video where I'll show you guys how to use this thing on the Dolphin emulator for your PC. I tried using the turbo button and I wasn't actually too sure what it did. But anyway, so if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.